Integrations connect Fireflies to the tools your team already uses, so meeting knowledge flows automatically instead of sitting in a silo. Your first decision? Who's allowed to connect integrations? You have two options. All members can connect, anyone sets up their own, or only admins can connect. You control every integration centrally. Open access gives flexibility, but means less visibility into what's connected. Restricted access gives control, but creates a bottleneck. Every request comes to you. Our recommendation? Restrict integrations that touch sensitive systems like CRM and ATS. Open lower risk ones like video, storage, and Slack. Let's walk through setting up a team integration, using HubSpot as an example. The pattern is similar for most. Click Connect and authenticate with your HubSpot account. After connecting, you'll see configuration options. Choose what data flows, transcripts, summaries, action items, and which meetings trigger the sync. Here's the admin-specific part. Click the three-dot menu and select Team Options. You'll see two toggles. Apply to entire workspace makes your config the default for all teammates. Restrict non-admin usage means teammates can't create their own. For CRM integrations, we recommend both on. You want consistent data flowing to your CRM, not 15 different configurations from 15 reps. A quick tour of the integrations you'll use most. Video platforms. Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams are foundational. Fireflies needs these to join and record meetings. Storage, Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, automatically saves transcripts and recordings, useful for backup or compliance. Communication, Slack or Teams messaging, sends summaries to channels so distributed teams stay informed. CRM, HubSpot and Salesforce, logs call notes and action items under the right contacts and deals, where sales sees the biggest time savings. Recruiting, Greenhouse, Lever, Ashby, pushes interview notes directly to candidate profiles. Task management, Asana, Trello, Jira, ClickUp, turns meeting action items into tasks automatically. Start with 2 or 3 integrations that solve immediate pain points. Add more as teams prove they'll use them. If data isn't flowing, check authentication first. OAuth tokens expire, permissions change, passwords get reset. Reconnecting often fixes it. Next, check configuration. If the integration is set to sync only external meetings and you're testing with an internal call, nothing will happen. For CRM integrations, check contact matching. HubSpot and Salesforce need matching contacts to log notes. If participants aren't in your CRM, Fireflies may not know where to put the data. Every integration you enable sends data somewhere. Connect Slack with 50 meetings a day, and that's 50 Slack messages. Multiple people connecting the same CRM with different settings creates duplicates. Use filters. Most integrations let you choose which meetings trigger a sync, by title, participants, or type. Don't send every meeting to every tool. Send sales calls to the CRM, interviews to the ATS, stand-ups to Slack. Assign one owner per integration, and review integrations quarterly. Is this still used? Is the data accurate? Any duplicates? Connect the tools your teams actually use, control who can set them up, and filter what flows where to avoid noise. Next up, AI skills.